morning, Bryan City Schools. This week, students in grades 9 through 12 will be selecting their homecoming queen. We will start on Wednesday, September 26th. Students at Fort County will present their nominations for the court at 8:45. Students at BHS will present their nominations during AA. We will announce the nominations during a small assembly on Thursday, September 27th at 2:30 p.m.
Friday, September 28th will be homecoming court voting. Students in grades 9 through 12 will vote during first period. Students at Fort County will vote around 8:45 that morning. The queen and her court will be announced at 2:30 that afternoon.
Freshman t-shirts can be ordered for homecoming beginning today and ending next Tuesday. Stop by room 128 and see Mr. Bentley with your t-shirt size. All t-shirts cost $10 and orders must be paid when ordering. Cash is preferred, but checks can be made out to Bryan High School.
If you want a sophomore class t-shirt, you need to stop in and see Mrs. Johnson in room 120. They are also $10 and will be sold through Friday. Please come before school, after school, or during AA.
Any freshman through senior interested in playing softball in the spring, there will be an informational meeting tomorrow on the learning stairs. If you can't make it, see Coach Savage.
This Wednesday, September 26th, will be prayer at the pole. All those interested should meet at the flagpole in front of the 6 through 12 building at 7:30 a.m.
Just a reminder, there will be a sophomore class meeting on Tuesday, October 2nd, starting at 12:45 p.m. and a senior class meeting at 1:15 p.m. There will be an announcement to release the classes to the gym.
There's an Interact meeting scheduled for Thursday during AA on the teaching stairs.
There will be a meeting for anyone interested in trying out for junior high or high school boys basketball on Friday, September 28th during the AA period at the learning stairs. Even if you're in a fall sport, please be there for shoe fitting, information, and paperwork.
Football tickets for Friday night's football game at Archibald will be on sale Thursday and Friday. They will be available in the athletic office from 8 to 3. Ticket prices are $6 for adults and $4 for students. All tickets at the gate are $6.
In sports action last night, we lead off with the Bryan golf team continuing to tear it up. The boys defeated Stryker last night, and Nolan Kidston was the medalist with a 35.
The volleyball squad traveled to Defiance last night and was defeated in 3 sets. Gwen Spengler had 13 digs, and Courtney Retro had 20 assists. The Lady Bears JV team was also defeated, but the freshman team won.
How about that Lady Bear soccer team? The girls beat Napoleon last night 3-0. Delilah Taylor scored twice, along with Alyssa DeWitt. The girls pushed their record to 4-5-1 of the year and will travel to LC on Thursday starting at 5.
In junior high action, the 7th grade volleyball team lost to Defiance in 2 sets. Marley Yoder and Hannah Andrews were perfect serving. The junior high volleyball team will travel to PH today.
Have a great rest of your week.